Question 1. Which of the following is excreted in the urine of patients with pentosuria? A. L-xylulose. B. D-ribose. C. D-ribulose. D. D-lactose. The correct answer is A. L-xylulose. Explanation. Pentosuria is a rare metabolic condition caused by a defect in the uronic acid pathway, specifically a deficiency in the enzyme xylytyl dehydrogenase, leading to the accumulation of L-xylulose. This sugar is excreted in the urine, mimicking glucose in some diagnostic tests, but it does not have pathological effects. Question 2. A baby presents with the clinical features shown in the image, including characteristic perioral and perineal rash along with a history of diarrhea. Which of the following is the most likely deficiency responsible for this condition? A. Zinc deficiency. B. Niacin deficiency. C. Selenium deficiency. D. Magnesium deficiency. The correct answer is A. Zinc deficiency. Explanation. The clinical features described, including characteristic perioral and perineal rash, often erythematous, scaly, and crusted, along with a history of diarrhea, are hallmark signs of acrodermatitis enteropathica, a condition caused by zinc deficiency. Question 3. A patient presents with gum bleeding, petechiae, poor wound healing, and other related symptoms. Which of the following vitamin deficiencies is most likely responsible for this presentation? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B6. C. Vitamin B3. D. Vitamin C. The correct answer is D. Vitamin C. Explanation. The symptoms described, including gum bleeding, petechiae, and poor wound healing, are characteristic of scurvy, a condition caused by vitamin C deficiency. Question 4. Which of the following enzymes is dependent on vitamin C for its activity? A. LYSYL dehydrogenase. B. LYSYL oxidase. C. Prolyl hydroxylase. D. Hydroxyprolyl kinase. The correct answer is C. Prolyl hydroxylase. Explanation. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is a critical cofactor for enzymes involved in collagen synthesis, particularly prolyl hydroxylase and LYSYL hydroxylase. Question 5. A 2-year-old child presents with bow legs, normal calcium, high PTH. The probable diagnosis is A. Scurvy. B. Rickets. C. Hyperparathyroidism. D. Diabetes insipidus. The correct answer is B. Rickets. Explanation. The clinical presentation of bow legs in a 2-year-old child, along with normal calcium levels and elevated parathyroid hormone, PTH, is indicative of rickets. Question 6. A patient presents with arthritis, and arthroscopy reveals blackening of the joints. Which enzyme deficiency is most likely responsible for this condition? A. Homogentisate oxidase. B. Branched-chain alpha-ketoacid dehydrogenase. C. Tyrosinase. D. Fumarase. The correct answer is A. Homogentisate oxidase. Explanation. The clinical presentation of arthritis with blackening of the joints, often accompanied by dark urine upon standing, is characteristic of alkaptonuria. This rare metabolic disorder is caused by a deficiency of the enzyme homogentisate oxidase. Question 7. A 4-day-old neonate presents with a bilirubin of 15 mg per deciliter. The most probable cause is A. Physiological jaundice. B. Gilbert syndrome. C. Hemolysis. D. Crigler-Najjar syndrome type 2. The correct answer is A. Physiological jaundice. Explanation. In a 4-day-old neonate with a bilirubin level of 15 mg per deciliter, The most likely cause is physiological jaundice, as this is a common and normal finding in neonates. Question 8. A patient with a history of strenuous exercise skipped a meal and later consumed alcohol at a party. Alcohol inhibits which of the following biochemical processes, potentially leading to hypoglycemia? A. Gluconeogenesis. B. Glycogenolysis. C. Hexose monophosphate, HMP, shunt. D. Ketone body formation. The correct answer is A. Gluconeogenesis. Explanation: alcohol consumption can lead to hypoglycemia, especially in situations like fasting or strenuous exercise, due to its inhibitory effect on gluconeogenesis. Question 9. A 45-year-old chronic alcoholic presents with anxiety, tremors and hallucination. His last drinking episode was 48 hours back. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Alcohol-induced psychosis. B. Delirium tremens. C. Schizophrenia. D. Alcohol-induced hallucinations. The correct answer is B. Delirium tremens. Explanation: a chronic alcoholic presenting with anxiety, tremors, and hallucinations 48 hours after their last drink is most likely experiencing delirium tremens, DTs. This is a severe form of alcohol withdrawal syndrome. Question 10. Which of the following amino acids primarily acts as a buffer in blood due to its ability to accept and donate protons at physiological pH? A. Histidine. B. Arginine. C. Tryptophan. D. Tyrosine. The correct answer is A. Histidine. Explanation: histidine is the amino acid that primarily acts as a buffer in the blood due to its imidazole side chain, which has a pK close to the physiological pH, 7.4. This allows it to accept or donate protons effectively, maintaining acid-base balance. Question 11. Which of the following is deficient in the mucopolysaccharidases associated with Natovics disease? A. Dermatan sulfate. B. Heparan sulfate. C. Kertan sulfate. D. Hyaluronic acid. The correct answer for Natovics disease is D. Hyaluronic acid. Explanation: Natovics disease, also known as hyaluronidase deficiency, is caused by a deficiency of the enzyme hyaluronidase, leading to an accumulation of hyaluronic acid in tissues, rather than dermatan sulfate. Question 12. During starvation, which of the following hormones is primarily produced to maintain blood glucose levels? A. Glucagon. B. Insulin. C. Amylase. D. Somatostatin. The correct answer is A. Glucagon. Explanation: during starvation, the body prioritizes maintaining blood glucose levels, especially for vital organs like the brain. Glucagon is the primary hormone produced by the pancreas during periods of low blood glucose, hypoglycemia, such as during fasting or starvation. Question 13. The development of cataracts in patients with diabetes mellitus is primarily due to the accumulation of which of the following substances in the lens? A. Sorbitol. B. Dulcitol. C. Mannitol. D. Galactitol. The correct answer is A. Sorbitol. Explanation: in diabetes mellitus, hyperglycemia leads to the accumulation of sorbitol in various tissues, including the lens of the eye, which is a key factor in the development of cataracts. Question 14. What is the primary mechanism behind tissue damage in long-standing diabetes? A. Insulin resistance. B. Sorbitol accumulation. C. Hyperglycemia. D. Decreased insulin secretion. The correct answer is C. Hyperglycemia. Explanation: The primary mechanism behind tissue damage in long-standing diabetes is chronic hyperglycemia, elevated blood glucose levels. Prolonged high blood glucose contributes to various forms of tissue damage through several mechanisms. Question 15. A patient presents with a history of vomiting. Arterial blood gas analysis reveals the following: pH 7.5, PCO 248 mm Hg, and HCO 330 mm Hg. What is the most likely acid-base abnormality? A. Metabolic alkalosis. B. Metabolic acidosis. C. Respiratory acidosis. D. Respiratory alkalosis. The correct answer is A. Metabolic alkalosis. Explanation. The arterial blood gas results show the following: pH 7.5, this indicates alkalosis. PCO 248 mm Hg, this is elevated. HCO 330 mm Hg, this is also elevated. Question 16. A hypertensive patient presents with hypernatremia, hypokalemia and metabolic alkalosis. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Conn's syndrome. B. Addison's syndrome. C. Barter's syndrome. D. Geitelmann's syndrome. The correct answer is A. Conn's syndrome. Explanation. The combination of hypertension, hypernatremia, hypokalemia, and metabolic alkalosis is most suggestive of Conn's syndrome, also known as primary hyperaldosteronism. Question 17. Q. Which of the following enzymes is typically elevated in prostate cancer? A. Acid phosphatase. B. Alkaline phosphatase. C. Lactate dehydrogenase. D. Alpha-fetoprotein. The correct answer is A. Acid phosphatase. Explanation. Acid phosphatase, specifically prostate-specific acid phosphatase, or PSA, is an enzyme that is typically elevated in prostate cancer, although it is not as commonly used in clinical practice today due to the use of prostate-specific antigen, PSA, testing. Question 18. A 8-year-old child presents with obesity and developmental delay. It is caused by paternal deletion. Which chromosome is involved? A. 21. B. 11. C. 15. D. 10. The correct answer is D. 15. Explanation. The condition described is most likely Prader-Willi syndrome, which is caused by a paternal deletion of the 15q11q13 region of chromosome 15. Question 19. A child presents with micrognathia and Losett ears. These clinical features are commonly associated with which type of genetic abnormality? A. Deletion. B. Translocation. C. Amplification. D. Inversion. The correct answer is A. Deletion. Explanation. Micrognathia, a small jaw, and Losett ears are clinical features commonly associated with deletion syndromes, particularly those involving chromosome 22. One well-known example is DiGeorge syndrome, which is caused by a microdeletion on chromosome 22q11.2.